The secret Johnny Depp trial notebook is selling for this much. For someone hoping to get their hands on a souvenir related to the Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard trial, this one's for you. Larry Forman told TMZ that he will be selling his courtroom notes to the highest bidder, which include so many interesting details about the trial that were not able to be captured on TV, like real reactions from jurors after some of the most explosive moments occurred. This all started when Forman took a trip from Kentucky to the Fairfax County Courthouse in Virginia to sit in on the trial for a day, and decided to jot down his thoughts and observations just for his own personal memories. But after his friends read the notebook, they urged him to keep going back and writing more notes. Why? Well, that's because the notebook goes into great detail about the real atmosphere of the trial from the perspective of someone on the inside, who was watching it unfold right in front of them. The notebook has about 20 pages per day and covers 23 to 26 of the trial, as listed as top secret. Johnny Depp jury trial notes on jurors' reactions to Amber Heard. The notebook has 132 bids, with just under 12 hours left until it's sold. The current bid is over $14,000 and climbing, with no final sale in sight as of yet. What's amazing is Forman has decided to donate the highest bid to Children's Hospital LA, telling TMZ that it seemed fitting because it's related to the case. But to avoid another empty pledge, like the $3.5 million from Amber Heard, Forman says hospital reps are aware of the auction and they're pleased about his offer. As we know, when Depp and Heard reached a divorce settlement in 2016, the actress announced that she would donate the entirety of her $7 million divorce settlement to charity, saying that the money would be split between two organizations, the American Civil Liberties Union and the Children's Hospital Los Angeles, which she has still yet to make good on those pledges. Memorabilia like the notebook has been selling for shocking prices ever since the trial ended. In fact, one of the used wristbands from day 23 of the trial carries a price tag of $850. Goes to show you just how much attention the Depp versus Heard trial really got. If you couldn't get inside the courtroom, you can at least try to take a souvenir from it. Do you think the notebook is worth it? Let us know in the comments below, and as always, thanks for watching guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.